Hello guys and welcome back to Footy Transfers. Messi sent a fax to the Barcelona board yesterday that he wants to leave the club. Reports say that he wants to join Pep Guardiola at Manchester City for a chance of Champions League glory. He's tired of losing at the Champions League knockout stages again and again and wants to change his team. It looks like he will join Manchester City as they are possibly the only team along with PSG who have that kind of money to afford Messi's wages. Messi currently earns 1.5 million euros per week, which is a lot considering the other clubs. It is said that Messi has a clause in his contract which allows him to leave for free, but news reports say that Barcelona have said that the clause ended already in June and it cannot be activated. It remains to be seen if Messi will be forced to stay at Barcelona or he will be sold at a much higher transfer value. The only chance of Messi staying at Barcelona will be possible if Barca's president Bartomeu resigns from his position. Bartomeu's man management has been shambolic to say the least. But to be truthful, there is a very low probability that Messi will stay at Barcelona. He will move to City in my opinion, but we have to wait and watch the greatest transfer saga that has ever happened in world football. It has been confirmed that Luis Suarez will leave the club this season. Ronald Koeman had talks with the Uruguayan and has told him that he is no longer a part of the team. Koeman thinks that he is old and is way past his age to play at Barcelona. He wants to bring in a new young striker to replace Suarez. Suarez will go to Ajax, his former club, and will sign a deal worth 3 million euros per year. Only the official announcement remains, and Barca fans can expect that in the next 2 to 3 weeks. It is good that Ronald Koeman is getting rid of deadwood and old players and wants to bring in new players. Barcelona are looking to sign Lautaro Martinez from Inter Milan as a replacement for Suarez. Inter want 100 million euros for Martinez, but if Barca are sensible and can negotiate a good deal with Inter, they could bring down the transfer price to maybe 60 or 70 million euros. If Inter do not agree on a lower transfer bid, then Barca could go for Memphis Depay. Depay has been in stellar form since joining Lyon from Manchester United, where he was rejected and was considered a failure. Nothing is confirmed yet for the striker position, but we just have to wait and watch the transfer market. I hope Martinez comes to Barca as I think Ronald Koeman will make him a very good player and he is suitable for La Liga and Barca's playing style. Now for the old players, Ronald Koeman had a meeting with all the old players at the club and has told Gerard Piqué and Sergio Busquets that they will stay at the club. Koeman told Piqué that he will stay and guide the youngsters at the club, and Busquets will not be a regular starter anymore and his position will be given to Frenkie de Jong. That's it for now guys, thank you so much for watching and make sure to subscribe to our channel for the latest football transfers, news and match analysis. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.